Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And overall, the stock market was having a good week and was looking to close near record highs. But alas, the potential for implementation of tariffs totaling over $200 billion on Chinese goods has once again spooked the markets here on Friday. And this is really on news that President Trump has instructed his aides to go ahead with his China tariff plan. But as you can see, we're taking a look at a weekly chart here with the S&P 500, which is currently trading at 2,941 on the day, up about 1%, with a chart analysis score of plus 90, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term uptrend and it looks to continue for the foreseeable future. And we do have some new numbers to watch out for this week as the levels have changed somewhat. So your key level to watch for the S&P 500 will now be 2,864.12. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. And just a note too, I had some people asking about my Bitcoin number last Friday. Remember, the numbers I'm giving you today are for next week. So anything that can happen today, especially with Bitcoin through the weekend, the numbers I'm giving you today are for next week. So sometimes there may be a slight variation on when they trigger or when they don't. Currently looking at the Dow Jones, currently with a chart analysis score of plus 90, trading above 26,000 at 26,173, with a gain of about 0.7% on the week. And our new level to watch would be 25,754.32. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently trading slightly above 8,000 at 8,073 cents, up about 1.2% on the week as tech had a bit of a rebound after losing about 2.5% last week. Currently, chart analysis score is plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up for the NASDAQ. And our new key level to watch would be 7,873.93. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. US dollar, although having a bit of a comeback today, is still down on the week about 0.4% with a chart analysis score of -60, with a green monthly and a red weekly trade triangle, currently trading at 94.95. And our key level to watch has changed to 95.68. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Looking at crude oil right here with the chart analysis score plus 70, currently trading at 68.66, up about 1.3% on the week. However, it is down off the highs of over $71. That was fueled by some what I'm calling hurricane buying, as Hurricane Florence was bearing down on the Carolinas. Crude oil traders were starting to buy it up, maybe expecting a shortage of crude oil after the hurricane passes. And our thoughts and prayers are with everybody down in the Carolinas right now as they're getting battered by the storm. Key level to watch next week will be 67.94. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for a short-term time frame for crude oil. Moving along to gold, relatively unchanged on the week, kind of sitting around that $1,200 level with a chart analysis score -85, indicating that overall the long-term trend is down for gold, just coming under a bit of short-term recent weakness. Key level to watch would be 1,197.60. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for gold. I'll back this out of here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Bouncing back a little bit, even though it's down about 1% on the day, it is up over 4% on the week, standing at 4.8% currently right now, with a chart analysis score plus 50, telling you that the picture is mixed for Bitcoin. However, we are looking for 6,117.30. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back to update the markets next week.